In this video, we are going to discuss about the atom carbon. As you all know, carbon is the sixth element in the periodic table. Its atomic number is 6 and the mass number of carbon is 12. It is because the number of electrons in carbon atom are 6, the number of protons 6, the number of neutrons 6. The electronic configuration. When it comes to the electronic configuration of carbon atom, as carbon has 6 electrons, its ground state electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. When you see the orbital representation of this one, you can see 2 electrons in the s orbital, whereas p orbital have 2 unpaired electrons. But when some energy is supplied to the carbon atom, the carbon atom containing electrons get excited. In excited state, the electronic configuration of carbon atom will be 1s2, 2s1, 2p3. The number of unpaired electrons in excited state of carbon atom is 4. Remember that carbon atom is a non-metal. The electronegativity of carbon atom is 2.5. Now let us see the bonding of carbon atom. Remember that whenever an atom gains electron, it attains negative charge. When an atom loses electrons, it attains positive charge. As you can see, carbon requires 4 electrons for fulfilling of a octet configuration. So when the carbon atom attains 4 electrons, it gets a charge of C4 minus. But when a carbon atom loses 4 electrons, it attains a charge of C4 plus. And in general, these two, both of these is not possible. The attainment of C4 minus and C4 plus by a carbon atom in general is not possible. Let us see the reasons for this one. Carbon atom cannot form C4 minus ions easily because it would be difficult for a nucleus with 6 protons to hold 10 electrons. As you can see here, when carbon atom gains 4 more electrons, it attains octet configuration. But in order to attain octet configuration, when carbon attains 4 electrons, it will be highly difficult for the carbon atom nucleus to hold 10 electrons. When it comes to the cation, that is C4 plus, when carbon loses 4 electrons, it attains the electronic configuration of helium atom. This is also not possible in general because in order to remove 4 electrons from the carbon atom, we require huge amount of energy which is normally not available. Remember, the carbon in general will not form C4 minus or C4 plus in order to attain octet configuration. The only possibility for the stability of carbon atom is by sharing of electrons. Carbon can satisfy its tetravalency by sharing the electrons with other atoms. It has to form 4 covalent bonds. As you all know, covalent bond is formed when sharing of electrons takes place between the 2 atoms. So carbon can form 4 covalent bonds either with the own atom, that is similar carbon atoms, or the atoms of other elements. We'll see the remaining things in the next coming video.